How to fix Snapchat camera not working in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if your Snapchat camera is not working on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. The first option is to restart the application. Sometimes there might be some temporary issue within the application, so a quick restart of the application can fix it. So close the Snapchat application completely and now open up the application again and check if the camera works or not. If that still does not help you, then check all the necessary permissions for the Snapchat application. Snapchat application requires access to your camera, so if the permissions are not granted, the camera will not work. So to check that, navigate to your Snapchat application, tap and hold on it, then tap on App Info. Under App Info, tap on Permissions and make sure you have allowed the permissions for camera. If the permission is not allowed, tap on it and then allow the access. After that, head back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If not, clear cache and data. Again, navigate to the App Info page. You have to head over to the application, tap and hold on it and then tap on App Info. Under this page, tap on Storage and Cache and here tap on Clear Cache. Clearing the cache will help remove some of the glitches or junk files from the application that may help you resolve the issue. If that still does not help you, make sure that your Snapchat application is up to date. Sometimes bugs and issues are fixed in the latest updates. So to check for the updates, open a Play Store in your device, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for Snapchat, and if the update is available, make sure to install the update. After that, restart your device, and a simple restart of your device can help clear any issue or temporary glitches from the application and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If none of these steps help you, then finally uninstall the application from your device and reinstall the application and make sure to log in into your account, and that's gonna help you fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.